Hi, I'm Fai.
And I'm Jack. WeVlog.
Okay, nice design. I even like the horns on the side of his head and even this. My favorite part is the Pride Rock. Where's Simba? Simba is gone.
Hi guys, so today we're going to unbox this XTrike Me gaming combo CM-404.
Let's see the box. You can see in the front the brand XTrike Me and the model gaming combo CM-404. You can see the keyboard, headset, mouse, and the mouse pad. And these are the descriptions of the mouse, keyboard, and headset.
Let's see the back of the box. These are the different detailed descriptions of the keyboard, the mouse, the headset, and the mouse pad. It also says here, for the keyboard, rainbow backlight around the keys. For the headset, quickly adjust the volume and microphone switch. For the mouse, 7-color backlight with breathing effect. It also says here, ergonomic design, solid structure, durable quality, oxidation resistance, USB port, arm guard design, make more flexible operation, USB power supply, plug and play. Now let's check the keyboard. So it's matte finished. I can see the logo here. It's fully black with the text, but the text is white. And they also changed the Windows button to their logo. But the rest is like the normal keyboard setting. Now let's check the back. It has the same stand as the regular keyboard, where you can make it stand. And there are holes here, maybe for the breathing effect. Now let's check the mouse. So this part reminds me of a spider's web, and these white parts, including this one which looks like a spider's web, is the one that will glow. The logo's over here. And I can see little triangles on the scroll, maybe for the grip on the finger. Then you could also change the DPI with this button. And it also has a regular USB cable.
Now let's check the headset. You can see the color is red and black. Where's the microphone? Ah, here. And the microphone can go up and down. The switch on and off, the volume, the logo that is soft. You can see it is adjustable so it can fit in your head. Let me try it on.
Oh, wait for your Testing. Mayday, we're going down. Okay.
This is a flexible wire and a normal jack. Let us try the mouse pad.
Wow, details. A dragon. With mountains behind it, lava. Oh my god. And the dragon has blue eyes. Wow! I feel like it's living in an erupting volcano. Or is it a lava pit?
Overall, we liked it, and we hope you liked it too.
Please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye!